Hey friends, in this video, if you don't know how to use side back on your mobile phones, this is the three buttons, but you want to use this slide the back button. Okay, you want to use it, then you can watch this video till end. And friends, before we start it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, friends, you just move on this setting, scroll down. You can even search here on the search setting, navigation. After that, you can click here system navigation, then here click system navigation. Three button navigation, go back, home and switch apps. Which buttons are at the bottom of your screen if you want to use it. Gesture navigation, if you want to use this slide, then you can activate this second option. Here button has been removed. Slide back button, up like this, recent apps. Okay, do like this. Here's your recent app, upward back button. Okay, so this is how you can use this slide navigations, slide gestures. And friends, if you want to use this three button navigations, then you can use the first option. Here is the button back, recent apps, home screen. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.